5 we have to multiply. Okay, so minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus into minus, plus 1 into 5, 5. Again here I am changing the signs, it plus, it becomes minus. So here minus 1, minus 5, minus 6. So in f of 2 here, what is the value here? Minus 6 only we got. Here also minus 6 we are got. So with the x power 4 how many times will go means 2x cube times will go. So 2x cube we have to multiply with the x. So 2x cube into x means 2x power 4. Again 2x cube into minus 1 means minus 2x cube will come. So here signs will be changed. Plus is there means minus will get cancelled. Okay, again plus 2 minus 4x cube is there. So minus x cube. So minus sign it is more means I am taken as a minus. Okay. Minus 2x cube. Again 0 I am taken as an down. So again here how many times it is possible means 2x square times it is possible for the x cube. 2x cube. So minus 2x cube, x square into x means minus 2x cube. Minus 2x square into minus 1 means minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2x square. So again square 2x cube will get cancelled here. Again here minus 2x square. Again with minus 2x square, x how many times it is possible? 2x times will possible. 2x minus 2x times it is possible. So minus 2x again I have to multiply with x. So minus 2x into x means it will come minus 2x square. Again minus 2 minus into minus plus minus 2x into 1, 2x. So again here plus minus signs will be changed. So it will get cancelled. Again minus 3x plus minus 2x. So minus 5x will come. So minus 5x with x how many times it is possible? We have to check. So minus 5 times will be possible. So 5 into x, 5x. So minus 5x. Again minus into minus plus 5 into 1, 5. So again it will get cancelled. So sign will be changed here. Plus again. So plus minus plus 5 plus 5 it comes minus. Here if equals to 2 here we are substituting. Also we got minus 6. Here also we got minus 6. Okay. So next we will go for the factors theorem. Okay. So in the previous class we discussed about the remainder theorem. Same in the remainder theorem, same as it is only here we are finding the factors theorem. Okay. Now see here in the remainder the previous class we done, P of x is a polynomial of a degree greater than 1 we are saying. Yes or no? Now here also in the factors theorem also the polynomial of a degree is greater than 1 we have to take, more greater than or more than we can take as a degree. And a is a real number. Here also a is a real number. And there we done as an x minus a is a divides the x minus a. Here x minus a is a factor for that p of x. So x minus a is a factor of p of x here. And there we done as an remind p of a equal to, we are taken as an a constant. Now here we are taking as an a p of a equal to 0. So now we will see this theorem. Factors theorem. if p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number x minus a is a factor of p of x. So what the polynomial we are taken, that polynomial, that x minus a is a factor. In the previous problem, x minus a is a linear polynomial we are discussed. So here also linear polynomial only is there. If p of a equal to 0, say there in the we are taken p of a equal to has a constant term. Now here we are taking as an p equal to 0. So first one we have to prove x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a equal to 0. If p of a అనేది 0 అయితే x minus a తో ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేసాం. ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేసాం. సెకండ్ కండిషన్ ఏముందంటే కన్వర్ట్స్లీ అన్నాడు. Converts if x minus a is a factor of a polynomial. X minus a is a factor of a polynomial p of x, then p of a equal to 0. So conversion ఎట్లా అవుతుంది, అలాగే x minus a అనేది ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఎలా అవుతుందో చూసాం. So by the remainder theorem, so p of x equal to, yesterday what we are written, p of x equal to p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x we are written. Yes or no? So here g of x means we are taken as an x minus a. Again q of x. Again here r of x is in place. We are taking as an p of x. See here. In the previous problem for the for the division algorithm, g of x into q of x plus r of x we are written. So in g of x we are replacing as an x minus a we are replaced. No, same here also you can replace here. G of x equal to x minus a I am taking x minus a. So x minus a, again same q of x. So p r of x, there we got as an r of x, it is a remainder theorem. Now we are taking as an p of a, we are taking p of a. So q of x equal to p of x. So now if you take the p of a equal to 0 for our condition, so then p of x equal to in x. So p of a plus we have to take as an 0. X minus a into q of x plus p of a plus I am taking as an 0. So x minus a into q of x. X minus a into q of x. So here x minus a is a factor of p of x. So it is proved. Now again we had to take as an conversion for this. So conversion means, so x minus a is a factor. P of x, then P of x. So we have to keep as an a in the x place, we have to keep as an a, in x place we have to keep as an a. So x minus a equal to 0, x equal to a. So in x place we have to keep in the a value, means again this one also we will get 0. So here, how like they are saying the factor means, one see one example I will say here. So here 2 divides 6 divides 2. So I am dividing with the 2 with the 6. So 2 3 is 6. So here 6 is an dividend, again 2 is an divisor, 3 is an coefficient, r is an remainder 0 here. So here see the coefficient and the divisors both are the factors of the dividend. Here dividend, what is the number here? 6 is there. So 2 is a factor, again 2 is a factor for 6. When you taken the factors of 6 means we will write 1 into 6 equal to 6, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 3 into 2 equal to 6 we will write. So when we dividing with this one, 2 3 is 6. So 3 also is a factor of 6, again 2 also is a factor of 6. So in the second one conversation, same that one only see here. So since x minus is a factor of, x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of x equal to x minus a, again q of x, for polynomial I am taking as an a q of x here. Okay. So x minus is a factor of p of x. So here x minus a means here 2 is the x minus a. Okay. Again q of x means here coefficient will come q of x. So both are the factors for both are the factors of the polynomial p of x. Here p of x is the polynomial of 6 I am taking as. So 2 also has an a factor, and again 3 has an a factor for the 6. Okay. So therefore p of a equal to x minus a into q of x. So in the p of x place I am taking as an a. So a minus a, again q of a. So a minus a means 0. 0 into anything completely what will come? 0. So therefore hence p of a equal to 0 when x minus a is a factor of p of x. Factor of p of x. Next we will see this problem. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So it is a factor or not, we have to check for this problem. Okay. x plus 2 is a factor or not, we have to check here. So let p of x equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So again g of x, what is there here? And g of x is x plus 2. So here, so if you x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. In the x place, again I am replacing as an minus 2. So g of x is minus 2. G of x equal to minus 2. So we have to substitute in x place. Minus 2 equal to minus 2 equal to 3 minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So 2 cube means minus 8 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So minus 8 plus 8 minus 6 again plus 6. So here minus 8 plus 8 will get cancelled. Here minus 6 plus 6 will get cancelled. So 0. So if the remainder comes as an a 0, then we can say that it is exactly factors of this one. So by the factors theorem, x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. What is there in the p of x? X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. So here what they ask in this question, they ask to find out the k value, we have to find out. Find the value of k. We have to find out the k value. If 2x minus 3 is a factor, 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. So f of x, what is that? F of x equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. So g of x, what is there? G of x equal to 2x minus 3. So we have to keep as an 0. So 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. So in the x place, we have to replace as an 3 by 2. Then only we will get the k value. So now we will replace the x value as a 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 equals to 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus k. So k value we want to find out here. K value we have to find out. See now here 2 into 2 cube means what will come? Sorry, 3 cube means 3 square means 9, 9 3. So again 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 2 cube means 8 minus 9 into 3 square means 9 by 2 square means 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k. Again 2 ones, 2 fours. So 27 by 4 minus 9 into 9, 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k. So this equation all we have to equal to the 0 we have to do. Okay. See now LCM what will come here? 4 will come. Here LCM will 4 comma 4 comma 2. So 2 twos, again 2 twos, 2 ones, again 1 1 1. So 2 twos, 4. LCM what come will for us 4. So I am writing 4. 27. 4 how many times will 4 how many times will go? 1 time will go. So 71, 27 into 1 minus, again 4 how many times will go? 1 time. 4 ones 4. Again 81 into 1 plus, here 2 how many times will go with 4? 2 times will go. So 2 into 3 plus k, same as it is I am writing. So 27 minus 81 plus 6 by 4 plus k equal to 0. So now again you have to change this all. So here k also I am taking as an LCM. So here 1 is there, means here what will come? 4k will come. How many times will go? 1 times 4 times. So 4k. So 4 will come that side, means what will come? 0 will come. 27 minus 81 plus 6 plus 4k equal to 0. Plus 4k equal to 0. So here now all this add. Now 27 6. So 33 will come. 37 plus 6 13, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3, 33. 81 minus 33 you have to do. Now you have to take the borrow for, means here 11, here 7. 11 minus 3 means what will come? 8 will come. 9, 10, 11. Okay. Again 7 minus 3, 4. So 48 will come. Okay. 48. 48 plus 4k equal to 0. So minus sign is more, no? Minus 48. Minus 40. Minus will go that side, means 4k equal to 48. So k equal to 48 by 4. 4 ones, again 4 ones, 4 twos. K equals to 2. Now k value is 2. They asked to find out for us to find the k value. Okay, now exercise problem we will see. So same as it is like that only we have to do. So first problem you only do 4. So many are there? I think 4 so exercise 2.4. Determine which of the following of a polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. X plus 1 is a factor or not? We have to check that one. So 4 problems is there. One problem I will explain. So fourth problem I will explain. 1, 2, 3. You only do the homework. Okay. So just we have to replace as an x plus 1 here. G of x is there already given in the question. P of x they given. F of x they given. G of x already they given. The polynomial has a factor or not. So factor or not means we have to write down as g of x. What the polynomial in the given in the question, that we have to write as an f of x. And here x equal to minus p of x equal to 0. Here what is there? X plus 1 means here x equal to minus 1. That values we have to substitute here. We will get the answer. Okay. So now fourth problem we will see here. X cube minus x square minus 3 root 3 into x plus root 3. Okay. So f of x, this is an f of x. Now g of x, what we got? X plus 1 is a factor or not? X plus 1 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So in the x place we have to replace as an a minus 1. So f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 square minus 3 minus root 3. Here x is there means minus 1 plus root 3. Again minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 will come. Again here also minus 1 square means 1 is there. So minus here outside is there means same minus 1. This sign will be changes for us here. Little bit check carefully. Here minus into minus, we have to multiply with 1 with this to complete part. Minus 1 into minus plus 3. Again here minus into minus plus. Again here plus into minus minus root 3. Again plus root 3. So plus root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 3. So here 1 is the answer. So therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. The 0 comes, it is a factor. If 0 won't comes means it is won't be not a factor. So remaining 3 problems like that only do homework. That questions also I will write here only. These 3 problems are homework. Same this model only. Okay, second Roman we will see. Same here also. This is a f of x and this is an g of x. See what they ask in the question, we will see. Use the factors theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of f of x of each of the following in this case. So f of x is a f g of x is a factor of f of x. So if g of x is a factor or not, we have to check for the f of x. Okay. So here also same. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. This minus 1 we have to replace in the f of x. So we will get the 0 finally. Then it is an x plus 1, it is a factor of f of x. G of x is a factor of f of x. So it is not a factor means it is not, with the last we won't get the 0 means it is not a factor. If the 0 comes means it is a factor. So second problem, see here also we have the 5 problems is there. One problem I will explain. See second problem I will explain. So f of x equal to 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12. So g of x what they give? G of x equal to 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x equal to 2. X equal to 2 by 3. In x place, I have to replace as an 2 by 3. If 2 by 3, if it answer will come the 0 means it is a factor of that one. F of x is a factor of g of x. It is not a factor. So f of x is not a factor of g of x. So f of 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. Three into 2 cube means 8 by 27 plus 4 by 9 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. So 3 ones, 3 nines. So 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 40 by 3 plus 12. So here LCM will come. Here anything is not there means 1 is there in the 12 divided by 1. Okay. So LCM we have to take 9 comma 9 comma 3. So 3 threes, again 3 threes, 3 ones. Again 3 ones, 3 ones, 1. So LCM what? 3 into 3, 9. So our LCM is 9. So with 9, how many times it is possible for this 9? 1 time. So 8 into 1. Plus again 9, how many times it is possible here? 1 time. 9 once 9. So 4 into 1 minus 3, how many times possible here? 9. 3 times are possible. So 40 into 3 plus here 1 into 9, how many times it is possible? 9 times possible. So 8 plus 4 minus 3 into 0, 0, 3 4s, 12. Again plus 12 nines, 108 by 9. So plus values all 1 time, minus values are 1 time we will do. So 108, 8 plus 4, 12. So 10 to 120. So 120 minus 120. So 9 it goes means 0. So 120 minus 120 means 0 will come. So g of x is a factor of f of x. Therefore, g of x is a factor of f of x.